So hey guys, I'm the voice behind the camera in my last 3 videos. As you can tell, I'm still pretty new at this, seeing as this is, only my 4th? So yeah, pretty much it's just gonna be about the shitty weather. I'm not too much of a fan for really extremely windy, rainy days and all that good crap. But yeah, I don't know about any of you, but I'm not too fond of being cold and freezing my balls off and any of that shit. So I got my blankie and all that. But yeah, like, how many of you guys love like the rain and really windiness? Yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it is pretty damn windy. I don't know if you can be able to see it or not. Yeah, probably not. But I'll take you outside too in just a second. But yeah, and as I said just a couple seconds ago, I'm still new to this whole thing, so I'm trying. More than likely isn't anything exciting or fun or interesting to watch yet, but just stay tuned, because it'll get better over time, I promise. But yeah, I'll take you outside right now, and then you can see what I'm talking about. And girls, if it is extremely windy where you're going, or where you live, or whatever, don't plan on doing anything nice with your hair. You'll see why in just a second. But so yeah, as you can see, this is why I said don't plan on doing anything nice with your hair when it's really windy. It'll just get all fucked up and blown around. You don't want to go somewhere and plan on looking nice, and then you show up and it looks like you stuck your finger in an outlet. Yeah, this is what is going on today. Not very fun. See? It's just cloudy and windy and not very exciting. So yeah. And like I said before, sorry, it's nothing entertaining or anything, but it'll get better, I promise. I just need to get better at this crap. That's all. And then it'll be awesome. So, do what you want to do. You can comment, not comment, whatever. Doesn't really matter to me. So, yeah. Hope you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Peace out.